Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a higher Steam level. Your Steam level is a public display of your engagement with the platform, offering more profile customization slots and friend list capacity. The only way to increase your level is by accumulating experience points, or XP, which you primarily earn through specific activities on Steam. The most common and direct way to earn XP is by crafting game badges. You collect trading cards by playing games, purchasing them from the community market, or trading with friends. Once you have a complete set of cards for a game, you can craft a badge, which instantly awards you 100 XP. You can repeat this process up to 5 times for each game. Beyond game badges, there are other avenues for gaining XP. Simply owning a large number of games on your account provides a small, passive XP bonus. Additionally, completing various community tasks, like setting up your profile or making a guide, can earn you special community badges. Seasonal sales and events also frequently offer limited-time badges for participation. To efficiently maximize your Steam level, prioritize crafting badges from games with readily available and inexpensive trading cards. Always participate in the major seasonal sales, as these often provide opportunities for free or low-cost event badges, which are excellent for XP. Remember to check the description for links to great deals, including that Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Happy leveling!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.